This video shows how to render a link in React. So when you are in your application, in your React application, and try to set some text into a link, then you may go into the render return function, and inside there you simply set a href, so an anchor href, and then the curly bracket for the all stuff which is from React, the closing tag, and then you're closing your href, that's like this one, and then you have to set the text which is inside your anchor, and then the closing tag again. So when you run this, then you will see that you will get the following stuff, something like this. When I'm there, you see the link below there. When I hover above it, it's HTTPS. It's a local, the local base URL. So that's what I did here. This base URL, which is simply this one. I simply said there, base URL is a front slash. So this is the main root. And then from there I said, okay, I need a query parameter, which is the first one is question mark, then there comes the query follower, there is the folder equals, and then something. So I said this is the query equals, and then encoding something, a word which comes from my database, and then you will see, then when I click on there, that's what I have there, and when I click on it, then you will see it goes to the front slash. Front slash is the base URL, then the question mark, and then F is the query parameter. So this is the encoded stuff, and you see also there if there is an empty space there, so this is a word with an empty space, so this is encrypted, that's why encoded, that's why you have encodeURI. Otherwise you would get sometimes problems. So this is my reference for creating an href, and I've written it into my website, and you may take the code from there. It's ready.net, and you have there your how to create this href.